So due to endless messages in our DMs about these tiles here, we are going to now quickly tell you what these are and where you can get them. So this is a black split face, 650mm by 150mm. These are from Royal Stones. We've currently used them on our previous project in the corner fireplace, and we're now going to show you us building them up here, how simply effective they are and how stunning they look. Let's crack on. So we're going to take you right back to the start of this tiling with these split faces here. What this is on here, this is a cement board. This is a backing board in some places, but a cement board known to us, hardy board, a couple of different names. This has been put on there by another contractor, so then we can just fix the tiles straight to this. But to start any area of your tiling, if you're tiling a wall, any other section, we like to use a piece of batten and then cut it all the way across and then just run a level, because if you don't put that batten in, these have got a tendency to want to slip down and they'll just keep moving and you'll be forever just chasing them. So what we do, we put this timber in, gives us a really good point, and then from there on out we can start tiling. You get your batten on and then you get this adhesive on, and then notch trowel up. We'll show you this adhesive, what this is now. It's a cement based adhesive, so I'll show you some techniques that we use. So in here, we've got our cement-based tile adhesive, which is for outdoor. This is a non-flex adhesive, so we've used this one. We get on with it really well when we're going onto these boards. It gives me a nice bit of time and doesn't dry out too much. So what you want to do, once you're mixed up, just get a few dollops on like that. I'll show you a very small, simple area. And then what's going to be your friend while you're doing your tiling? This is a notch trowel. You'll get notch trowels which are for floor or for wall. Basically, they'll just be wider openings on the actual notch bit. This one's a wall trowel. And then all I want to do, just get it on. Believe it or not, it's easier when there's more on there. You can really start to work it a bit better. It should start to look something like that. Just keep it nice and simple. I'll do that section there to show you. So you've got your adhesive now onto the backing board. What you want to do next step, make sure you back butter the back of your tiles, which is extremely important because you have a 2 point of contact then rather than just one. Rather than the tile just sticking to the wall adhesive, you'll have a contact point between tile and the wall. So you want to get as much coverage as possible, somewhere along the lines of that. That's not too bad. See, like that, as much as you can get on there, and then get him on. I will come around there and level that up in a minute to that side. Little tap. And then you want to get yourself just a little mallet like this, just something. Just a few little knocks in. And then that's not going anywhere. On to the next one.